What is going on, everybody? It's great to see you all back. I know it's been a long time and you probably would have seen this on my Instagram story that I purchased this about 2 weeks ago, and I know that I told you guys that I was going to be doing an unboxing video. Well, here it is. Without any delays, let's get straight into it. I know you guys have probably already seen a whole bunch of unboxing of the Ronin-S on YouTube already. And another thing is, if you don't know what this is, it's actually a gimbal, which stabilizes your footage, and it makes it buttery smooth, to say, if I want to say it that way. So let's get straight into it. This is one of my favorite parts of unboxing something. You know, when you first slit that you know, the sticky tape that it comes with, that makes it the official seal. This handle over here is actually the handle of the actual case inside, so when I open it up, you'll see it in a moment what I mean. As always from DJI, and this is sort of reminiscent of a Phantom 4 Pro box. I'm not pretty sure if you guys haven't seen my unboxing of the Phantom 4 Pro. There's a link up here. Click on that and you'll be able to see the unboxing of Phantom 4 video, and you're going to know what I'm meaning by that. This is reminiscent of a Phantom 4 Pro packaging, but of course on this one it's specialized to having the Ronin-S emblem on it and DJI. Feels good so far. Alright, the notch, the very famous DJI notch on the packaging. The premium products have it. Opens like so. You guys ready? Ta-da! Now look at that. That is beautiful. What is this? This is to keep it dry. It smells good, but I'll give you guys a closer look. So this is what we are looking at over here. That means that the quality of my videos technically should be going up now. So second part of this video is obviously doing some test footage, but I'll be doing a proper test footage because I want to play around with this for a couple of weeks, and then I'll be able to put up the actual test footage to see what it does. So quickly, what comes in the pack? And there you have it. That is the Ronin-S, DJI Ronin-S gimbal. I hope you like the test footage that we have shot. I promise you guys that I will be doing it better. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. By the way, comment below if you have one of these, and if you do, let me know that if there's a feature that I should know of. And by the way, if you guys are figuring out how to charge this thing, which took me a while to figure out, you need to actually plug this to the main unit and pop this and then plug it to the charging cable and to the plug. Anyways, catch you guys in the next video. Adios.